Welcome to New Zealand Manuka Apriculture. We are a premium producer of New Zealand Manuka honey. At NZMA, we source only the most pure and nutritional Manuka honey from the most remote and pristine parts of New Zealand. With access to over 20,000 beehives, we work with some of the oldest beekeeping families in New Zealand, people who have been doing this for generations. With our certainty of supply, our large scale, we can continually produce and supply premium New Zealand Manuka honey to our customers. NZMA operates a modern New Zealand government certified processing facility that has the highest standards for traceability and ensuring nutritional purity. From extraction to blending and creaming, our careful processing ensures only the finest quality honey is packed, sealed, and exported to many destinations around the world. All honey we process is fully tested by independent laboratories to ensure it is free from bacteria, disease, and harmful chemicals. The testing also determines the UMF grade. This is a number from 5+ upwards that shows its antibacterial properties. At NZMA, we know we produce the finest Manuka honey on the planet. From the passion and approach that our beekeepers take, through to our strict testing regime and final processing practices, we know that NZMA is your best choice for pure, nutritional and premium New Zealand Manuka honey.